ya. No bad word for the life there. Respect with respect.
Aunty Donna, we just a pray for the Prime Minister. We just a pray for him.
All right, the next person. Who that now? Hello?
Who's that?
Yes.
Night time, Aunty Donna?
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So I'm listening.
Yo, you know that boy ready to get that attitude a while ago? And all him have to say, want to sit. Ask me if he ready to eat, he not answer. He go there, want to sit down. He might, yo, man.
He might talk about film or something. No. Yes, good evening, sir. Go ahead.
Yes, Aunty Donna. I am here listening.
Yes.
And I'm really wondering if I am living in the same Jamaica that some of the persons that are talking are living too.
Yes.
Every party that go in power have done their part, have done something in the country to bring it somewhat forward. Because it's like you're building a house and I may start to build or dig the foundation, but somehow I never get the chance to finish or to start to lay the blocks. And then somebody come and take it over and they bring it to our next level. Now, what is happening is that many times that when we reach a part now where we begin to see beauty, and finality into things, that we forget about all those persons who used to put up the those things that go around the building for the height, the scrap, you know what I'm talking about. And we forget those who have laid foundation in order for us to be able to finish a project. And so because we are the one who reach a point now that we begin to put in some dress up and some this and that, we take all the glory for ourselves, when in truth and in fact a building is not finished. A business does not start where it is finished. Okay? So when you hear people talking about the scraps that PNP has not done anything but mash up. If you want to big up your party, don't try to take away the props of the other party.
Yes, sir.
Right? If you want, just make it finish.
Yeah. Bring it come. Yeah. Sorry about that, guys.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Yes. Go ahead, sir.
If you want to give your party props,
may I hear you?
Yeah, but Aunty Donna, I'm not argue with people. I don't understand where I'm talking, you know. I'm not trying to be biased, but you need to get some points.
Yeah,
yeah. So I'm wait till he come back.
Which party Mr. Teddy are defend? The Labour Party or the PNP?
Yeah, I'm Labour, but I'm a fair person. So, I think, 2011, I realized a lot of comrades love Sarah, 2016, and they fixed the economy and everything. I think if everybody remember the 2011 election, Mr. Holness promised, quote unquote, bitter medicine, which everybody didn't know. Would you have to go IMF to fix the economy due to the 2008 or 9 recession? So, what the PNP do about fiscal responsibility or whatever, the JLP they are doing. So I realize I think from them is that Peter Phillips and the PNP fix the economy now, the JLP are take the glory. If anybody didn't remember the part. Yeah, but if everybody remember the part.
Hold on. Rewind and come
That's
again.
a lie.
Yes, Peter
That's
Phillips.
a lie.
Well, I know, man. What you say? Peter Phillips fix the economy when the JLP live off for now.
No, all right. So
You know,
if you
remember
notice,
when
no,
the
no, man. If you notice, no, man. If you notice, most of the comrades and reasons, I must say, the Peter Phillips, quote unquote, fix the economic now, the JLP. That I suspect that are the argument where scraps most of the trying to say. But as I say, everybody know from the 2007 election with JLP and the crisis of
Look here, is one thing I am not afraid of, and it is truth, right? If you have truth, allow me to talk my lies, and then you rebut it after I finish. Don't jump and cut me off because you want to show your narrative. No, but I was talking, and he jumped on and began to say what he thinks I am coming up with because he want to put me aside. No, let me finish.
Make the man talk. Give me an opportunity to talk.
You don't come on and even if that's where I'm going, allow me. Right? Because if since you go down to that point in time, when Bruce come out of government, when the JLP came out of government in 2011 or something about the place there, Jamaica was in a problem with the IMF. We could not get any loan or anything from the IMF. It is Portia who went back and begged them to help us by being able to, for us to get some money. And they said certain little thing that if we follow, it would bring about a turnaround in the economy. Portia went to the people of Jamaica, among other things. Wages were frozen because there was options and maybe that was the best for the time. And through the fiscal policy that they had at the time, the country was growing by 3% when the JLP came into power in 2016. That is a fact, my friend. So, boss, don't. You go and check your facts. Don't talk about nothing. Right? Yeah. The country was growing under Portia when Portia lost in 2016. The country was growing by 3%, my friend. That is a known fact. I don't know where you get phone facts from, but that's a known fact. When I, as a socialist, when Andrew Holness came in 2016, I didn't expect him to win, right? But he won. I spoke to labor rights who said to me, that boy, we never expect to win, you know. We never expect to win, but boy, me no know. It just happened. Coming into politics, if this man, with what he got from Portia, if he did what he's supposed to do, he will never be out of power. Again, and PNP would never have a chance. Right? That's what I said to myself as a young man, because he was going up against people like and if him come and did the right thing for Jamaica, who couldn't take him out? So I, not being a Labourite, that's my perception. That's the ground that I took. You understand? That even in 2020, I didn't vote against him, but I didn't vote. You can't know. And you're talking about even St. Thomas. St. Thomas, it is a known fact. I read it in the newspaper where Portia allocated the money for St. Thomas, and it is not even what they get now. You understand? As the road. So therefore, when we can come and we can say you did this and whatever, it was there. And if she won the election, it would have been her project coming on, going forward. So therefore, my friend, this is what I'm talking about. When you can talk about a center into St. Thomas also, who own it? Who own it? And when you look at government who have so much land in Jamaica, and the amount of million that they about to go pay as rent on that premises there, 3 different government entity. You know how much $1 million a month, how much $100 million a month that? when government could have taken their land and build their thing where them not for a parent. So whoever, which is maybe private man or politician, who know that, they will for the rest of their life live off of the government of Jamaica, of the people of Jamaica, by receiving rent. You understand what I'm saying? So when we can talk and we can make something look nice, look at the downside of it and balance and see if the good outnumber the bad. You understand? And my greatest problem today, we attack Mark for some trivial things. As we hear say him did got trouble one young him wife before she did overhead. We take it on.
No,
we take on a whole heap of
bring up that. I want to bring up nothing that like them.
No, you know why I bring it up? You know why I bring it up, Aunty Donna? You know why?
That what Mark Gordon. We not bring down the man. No, not for man.
No,
all right, sir.
It wasn't true. So I'm just saying that
man fast. I don't know about that.
we use some lies. We use some lies.
Nah, never gonna bring up that.
We use some petty lies that can be proven to be wrong. That's what I'm saying. To attack Mark Golden. We use his skin color to attack him. Aunty Donna does school. Me pass that.
Him and his wife married.
Aunty Donna, I am not talking against Mark, and so don't. Aunty Donna, don't go down that route because you're mixing up the whole thing and blending a different flavor to it. So I'm saying that we attack.
Sir, that is what I'm saying.
We attack Mark for some trivial thing that can be proven to be wrong. We attack him now no birth certificate, so him can't be prime minister. Him never born ya, so how he can want to be prime minister? Him a backra. So him can whatever. No, on the reverse, with open